Hello everyone, Bill Nye here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of digital money. Let's break down Crypto.com, a platform designed to make using digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum easy and approachable for everyone, no matter your experience level. Imagine it as a digital bank for your crypto, where you get a secure wallet to store your coins, a marketplace to buy and sell, and even tools to spend your assets in the real world, just like you would with regular money. Crypto.com's mission: to put cryptocurrency in every wallet, making digital finance accessible to all, not just tech experts or early adopters. They want to open the doors of crypto to everyone, everywhere. The platform is a full ecosystem. There's the main app for everyday use, where you can check balances, make payments, and manage your digital assets with just a few taps. There's also an exchange for advanced trading, letting you dive deeper into the world of crypto markets and explore new opportunities. And don't forget the Visa card, which lets you spend your crypto like cash at millions of locations worldwide, bridging the gap between digital and traditional spending. It's like a digital Swiss Army knife for your finances. Start simple, learn as you go, and unlock more features as you get comfortable. Crypto.com bridges the old world of money with the new digital one, helping you transition smoothly and securely. Why the name? Crypto stands for cryptocurrency, the digital money of the future, and .com, because it's an online company, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Their big idea? To make digital assets a natural part of everyday life, so you can use crypto as easily as you use your phone. Whether you're a beginner just starting out, or a seasoned pro, Crypto.com is your friendly guide to the future of money. Science rules. So, how do you actually use Crypto.com? Let's break it down step by step so you can see just how simple and accessible it really is. Whether you're a total beginner or already familiar with digital finance, it's like a digital farmer's market. Deposit your regular money, browse through a wide range of cryptocurrencies, buy crypto like Bitcoin, and sell it back for cash whenever you want. The app gives you the freedom to move between traditional money and digital assets with ease. The app makes buying and selling incredibly easy. Just a few taps, and you're done. No complicated steps or confusing menus, just a straightforward experience designed for everyone. Crypto.com acts as a secure middleman, matching buyers and sellers and ensuring you always get fair, transparent prices. You don't have to worry about negotiating or searching for someone to trade with. No need to find trading partners yourself. The platform handles every transaction safely and automatically, so you can focus on your goals. You can explore thousands of cryptocurrencies, not just the big names like Bitcoin or Ethereum. There's a whole world of digital coins and tokens to discover. It's like shopping at a global market. So many options to diversify your digital portfolio and find new opportunities that match your interests. The process is designed to be smooth and user-friendly, even for beginners. Helpful guides and tips walk you through every step, making it easy to get started. You can invest, trade, or just learn about new projects, all in one place. The app brings together everything you need to manage your digital assets and stay informed. Crypto.com brings order and simplicity to the world of digital assets, helping you keep track of your investments and make smart decisions. It's a universe of possibilities at your fingertips. Ready to explore and take your first step into the future of finance? Here's where crypto meets your daily life, blending the world of digital assets with the convenience of everyday purchases. Introducing the Crypto.com Visa Card, a modern payment solution designed for crypto enthusiasts and newcomers alike. It's a debit card that lets you spend your crypto anywhere Visa is accepted, from your favorite coffee shop to online retailers around the globe. When you pay, the card instantly converts just enough crypto to cover your purchase, making the process seamless and hassle-free for both you and the merchant. Plus, you earn rewards in CRO, Crypto.com's own currency, every time you spend, turning your daily transactions into opportunities to grow your portfolio. Higher-tier cards unlock even better perks, like increased cashback, exclusive airport lounge access, and streaming service rebates, especially if you stake CRO tokens. It's a simple, effective way to use and grow your digital assets through everyday spending, making crypto more practical than ever. The card acts as a bridge, seamlessly connecting your crypto wallet to the real world of shopping, dining, and travel. It's a fascinating experiment in modern finance, showing how digital currencies can fit into our everyday routines and reshape the way we think about money. Security is everything in crypto, and Crypto.com takes it seriously. Your account is protected by strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and advanced cybersecurity. Most user funds are kept in cold storage, offline and safe from hackers. Only a small amount is kept online for daily use, and that's heavily insured. The platform undergoes regular security audits and holds top industry certifications. There's even a massive insurance policy for cold storage assets. For US dollar balances, funds are held at regulated banks with FDIC insurance. All these layers build trust and peace of mind for users. With Crypto.com, your digital assets are guarded like treasure. Meet Alex, a regular user. Alex checks their crypto portfolio in the app, pays for coffee with the Visa card, and earns CRO rewards instantly. Sending crypto to a friend is as easy as texting. No fees, no hassle. Streaming subscriptions, Alex gets rebates in CRO, thanks to card perks. At week's end, Alex can invest, trade, or spend their CRO rewards. For Alex, Crypto.com is a simple, flexible financial tool, right alongside their banking app. It bridges traditional payments and the new world of crypto. Start small or dive deep. The choice is yours. Digital finance is easier than ever, and curiosity is your first step. Subscribe for more.